Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Afahaene. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, like this video if you end up enjoying it, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're not, hey, welcome back. So today I'll be getting my makeup done by a Lagos makeup artist. This is my first time here, and I'll be getting my hair done as well. So we are going to be rating everything she's going to be doing on me, from the makeup to the hair, and I don't know what look she's doing on me yet, but I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. So I'm ready to leave for the studio now, and let's go.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival. Tell me now, what you gonna do? We can do this face to face. The reckoning is coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say. Try to tell you this is my moment. Can't take mine 'cause I own it. Don't you know that I locked and unloaded? You're out of focus. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my phone. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I'm done with my hair, I'm done with my makeup. If you watch this video from the beginning, you know that this is not how I left my house this morning. So this is like the best ponytail I have gotten so far in my life, and I'm not joking. I love the way she pampered my hair. She took her time in, applied the gel. She wasn't in a hurry. And then the makeup, oh god. If you're living around Festac in Lagos, come and check her out. I'm going to drop her details in the description box below. Please do well to check her out, and don't forget to drop your reviews. Let me know if you think she killed it, because I think she killed it. Okay,